Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Austin, and today, tonight, looks like we're going to be hanging out with Randy. I believe TK might be here, and Santa over at AAR HQ. And later in the video, I will give you guys a little bit of a, not teaser, a little bit of an update on the GTO. But we're going to be driving the, the other GTO, AAR's GTO. And I believe it should be, by the time this video goes up, either sold at auction or still in Randy's hands. I don't know. I believe that Randy said he's going to bring it to auction, and I think that's supposed to be Tuesday. But the GTO, Randy's GTO, is going to be gone. He said he'll let me drive it first, and I think Santa's going to drive it too, and then we'll do a GTO update. So it's a GTO video. That's all this is. It's GTO, GTO, GTO. So let's go ahead and see what we're going to do and drive and stuff. GTO. All right. So me in Santa's workshop in the AAR GTO. It sounds good.
It sounds real good.
Yeah. It's a little weird. Hey, well, yeah, that shifter doesn't stay on at all. Once they put that short shifter in there, it just, hey, you're good, no worries. It sounds really good. It's almost like it doesn't want to shift into second at all.
Yeah. Start with the third.
Yeah, it's both second and third, but it's almost like you have to let it match. Still go through it?
Yeah. I think that's in the shifter, not the clutch.
It definitely could be.
Parking out front.
Or maybe in front of the shop, I don't know.
Well, I think he's wanting to put that El Camino in.
Ah, yes. He did say he wanted to do that. But hey, she handles it.
Yeah. Jiminy Christmas, this thing.
Austin, you want to take it for a rip?
Ah, sure.
Go for it, man.
Hey, that second gear shift though, it's giving trouble.
Yeah, I think that's in the shifter, not the clutch.
It could be.
Because I actually skipped over into fourth. I mean, I just missed.
No issue?
Yeah, just, I mean, you know, of course, bogged a little bit, but
Yeah.
just
What
right
I've
on.
had to do is pump the clutch several times and then go romp on it, and
Right.
it seems to be fine pumped up.
So yeah, this floppy spaghetti could be better, but we're good enough.
Well, I don't think I'm moving at all if we hit anything.
No? And then it's all the way over and up. Okay.
Yep.
I'm used to driving a 5-speed, so it's in the 6th gear spot. So
Right.
For the race mode or reverse.
You're clear this way.
Clear this way. No burnouts here, at least.
adjusted just right.
Yeah. I think there's a place down here that we can turn around at too.
I know there's one up on the other curve.
Yeah. Drop down into third.
Jiminy Christmas.
She gets it.
Yeah, it does.
It's almost got that, what kind of smell is that? That, monster truck fuel smell.
Yeah, it's VP racing fuel smell.
Yeah, that's what it smells like, yeah. I think we put some 100% in it. In the top grade stuff, too. Alright, yeah, this is going to be our turnaround spot. And then we'll go back. A couple little pulls, it's nice.
Yeah.
I know Randy said he could sell it at some point, but I ain't got the money for it.
So,
I love the downshift pops. Those are
oh
always.
yeah.
Alright, let's see what she'll do. Alright. Oh, that's that axle.
Yep.
What the fuck? It came off! What the heck is this shifter? Alright, I'm done playing around.
Yeah, we'd hate to meet one of those big deer around here.
Yeah. But I will say though, this is a nice car. It is definitely a nice car. Sounds good. That SLP exhaust on point. Engine has the power, but man, that rear axle was not happy at all.
Oh, goodness no.
Not at all. But it hooked. I will say it did hook. It didn't skip anything. At least it didn't feel like it. Did it to you?
No. As much oomph as this thing has got, I really figured it would just toast them.
Yeah, I agree. I think if that rear axle wasn't slipping at all, which I think it is,
Yeah.
it might actually do some really big burnouts. But we'll get it back, and then we really need to clean this windshield too.
Yeah. And the headlights.
Oh yeah. Slow down since we're coming into town.
Jeez.
Blah blah blah. I love it. I love it. Oh man, if I had the money, I would do it. It would need some work though.
Yeah, it would definitely need some work.
This quick release shifter is not okay.
Well, I mean, I'm used to a 13 speed in a semi, so.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I couldn't play that puzzle game. I don't think I could, at least.
Oh, they're not bad at all, really.
No? I have not let the clutch off at all. We're still going about 35.
Wow.
This thing rolls nice.
You'd think with that axle problem, it would kind of drag it.
Yeah. This might be a keeper. I would like to keep it, but not my car. Oh no, I stopped! called it. Okay. What car did we have? We had the Chevy Cobalt SS, and Randy had me try to pull it up his driveway at one of his old houses. And I did a burnout in his driveway, trying to get it in the garage. It was an experience. Yeah. Oh, what is that poking out of the garage? It's a little smoky. Looks like a red El Camino. The jack. No, go forward.
Get that side reserved. 1, 2.
There we go. The exhaust might have touched it a little bit, but you don't see that because it's usually underneath the car.
Right. Like you said, for sure. I don't think that's the last time we've had to pick
up a car.
Especially a fucking tank.
Oh man.
Christ.
Oh, that was an experience. Oh yeah, always something. Now let's hope for no tick, right?
Yeah. So far, it's sounding so much. So much
Sounds better.
He really needs to tighten that up.
What is that? What's causing that sound?
Steering.
Ah.
The belt, he was sitting there moving at this far, the belt this far.
Wow.
And it takes a double belt.
Oh, it's a. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it's only got one.
It really doesn't have any beans to it.
No.
Yeah.
I really think there's something wrong with that timing.
Yeah. Yeah. That one might need to go back to auction. It's not having it, is it? It didn't sound too bad when you guys were going by.
That was floored. Secondaries were open, and it wouldn't move.
Wow.
Wow. And it's not the trans. The trans shifts fine. The brakes don't work again. And I got new wheel cylinders, new shoes, everything back there. I did all of that. Yeah, the rear, I think the master cylinder gave up the ghost.
I don't know if this is worth even putting paint on it now. And I thought I would give you guys a little bit of an update here on the GTO, the 1967 Pontiac GTO. It's still sitting here in the garage. It's got a few little things on the hood. Don't worry, it'll get worked on. My grandfather's been taking some measurements and stuff and seeing what he can find online for the front disc brake conversion on this car. He has been working on the headliner. Took a whole bunch of stuff out, found the parts and stuff like that. I think he said it was anywhere from like, for a full, I think he said full interior restoration with stuff that you can find online. I think he said something around like $1,200 to $2,000, maybe. Don't quote me on that. But I promise when more things start to happen, we'll be doing a little bit more work on it. But he has to have his manuals. We all have our manuals. We also have another point. We'll be working on another engine for my grandfather's truck. So we'll start working on it, I promise. I mean, this car is not going anywhere. This car will stay in the family for ever, I would say. But it's not going anywhere. I promise you guys, when we start getting into more of the fun stuff, the stuff you actually want to see, or when we actually start working on the car more, you'll get the videos, I promise. I do promise on that. But for right now, She's up on jack stands. Some of you might be saying those are the Harbor Freight ones. They are. They were technically not recalled. Not these ones, at least. And the car's been sitting on them for, I don't know, a couple months now. So I don't think, even with my grandfather crawling around and messing with the headliner inside the car, I don't think these are going to give any issues. But now I might need some new jack stands because they were mine, and now they're the GTOs. So with that said, quick little update for you guys. The GTO is still here. It's just getting worked. Small, itty-bitty, tiny stuff done. But when we start working on some more of the fun, interesting stuff in the engine bay, the interior itself, and then working on the body stuff that needs to be done, we'll see what we can do, and we'll record it, and I promise you guys you will see it. It's just going to be a little bit longer of a process. There's not going to be as many GTO videos as there will be Ram Charger videos. Again, this is my grandfather's project, and the Ram Charger is mine. So, quick little update for you guys. I know I've already said that, but there you go. All right, so that was a fun little video, and actually this is the second time I'm recording this outro. I think one was the next evening after we had driven around in the GTO, and I had recorded the GTO update, the 67 GTO update, not the 2004 GTO. You know what I mean. So, yeah, actually I know exactly who purchased it. He's already made a couple videos. I'm recording this the day before this video is going to go up, so TK's Garage did buy Auto Auction Rebuilds 2004. I'm fairly certain it's 2004 GTO. And we'll see. You'll have to go watch his channel and see what he's going to do to it. But that little 2004 GTO should be a good little ripper. I'm out here working on this beast. Yeah, it's hot outside. Still, it's like 8 o'clock almost. 7:30, and it's like, 90 degrees. But with all that said, there's the GTO update, both GTO updates. So hopefully we'll start working on that soon. But with all of that said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.